Hey there and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pics.io video and audio transcription feature. This tool takes the speech from your video or audio files and turns it into text, making it way easier to search, organize, and share your content. Let's get started with a real-world example. Picture this. You've just recorded a long interview or a team meeting, and now you need to find specific quotes or key moments. Instead of watching the whole video, you can use Pics.io transcription feature to create a text version automatically. This means you can quickly search for keywords, jump to the exact moments you need, and save a ton of time. Let me show you how easy it is. Getting started is simple. Just select your video or audio file and go to the transcript section in the details panel. First, pick the language spoken in the file. Then, hit the transcribe button to start. It usually takes about a minute to generate the first results, depending on the file size. You can check the progress right at the top of the panel. Once the transcription is ready, you'll see a full script with time codes in the transcript panel. The best part? Each time code is clickable. Just click on it, and you'll jump straight to that moment in the video. It's a huge time saver, especially for longer files. Looking for a specific word or phrase? Easy. Just type it into the search bar, and it'll highlight the word, taking you right to that spot in the video or audio. Need to make some changes? Hover over the text, click the pencil icon, and edit the transcript. The updates save automatically. You can also search from the main search bar. It works across all fields, including the transcription. Want subtitles? Just press the subtitles button below the video timeline. They sync with your transcript, and they're super helpful for sharing. When you send a video to someone, the subtitles will be visible, even if they don't have access to your library. Perfect for sharing content with clients, partners, or teams. Need a copy of your transcript? You can download it as an SRT file, which is the standard format for subtitles. It includes all the time codes and transcript data, making it super easy to share or upload to other platforms. To make things even easier, you can automate the transcription process. Just set a default language in the artificial intelligence settings of your team account, and all new video and audio files will be transcribed automatically. It's a great way to keep your workflow running smoothly. The transcription feature is part of the AI Kit add-on, which you can purchase through the billing page. Whether you're working with just a few files or managing an entire library, Pics.io AI Kit offers flexible options to fit your needs. And that's a quick look at Pics.io transcription feature. Whether you're handling large video libraries or just need to grab quotes from meetings, this tool makes it super easy by turning speech into searchable text. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.